But we begin tonight with the urgent concerns about the summer COVID surge. Cases rising nationwide, daily deaths at their highest levels in 6 months as Americans head home from the long holiday weekend. Nearly 40 million people on the move, hitting the roads and the skies. This after massive crowds, packed beaches and sporting events now at full capacity. But health officials are concerned with many hospitals across the country now stretched to their limits, and what the White House is now saying about booster shots. ABC's Marcus Moore leads us off from Dallas.
Over the weekend, Americans gathering for the unofficial end of summer. Beaches and barbecues, parks and stadiums. Nearly 40 million people hitting the road and skies, fueling fresh fears COVID cases will only climb higher as hospitals buckle under the strain.
We're all tired. We all just try and take care of each other.
All right, you're all set.
From Idaho to Maine, ICUs are scrambling to treat 100,000 COVID patients. More than 1,100 deaths reported each day, the highest in 6 months.
I've definitely put a lot more people in body bags than I would like to in my whole lifetime.
The Austin, Texas region now with just 2 adult and 5 pediatric ICU beds. 345 children are hospitalized with COVID across the state. And the risk to children only growing, with millions more going back to classrooms this week. In Georgia, respiratory therapist Aubrey Stevenson is urging others to get the vaccine after losing her 34-year-old husband to COVID this weekend.
I can't think of a single thing that I would not give to have my husband with me right now and him to be fine.
Aubrey writing on Facebook, suddenly all the excuses we have for not getting the vaccine seem stupid. And as for those vaccine boosters for the general public, officials say Pfizer's shot will likely roll out in 2 weeks, with Moderna a week or 2 later. But there is some debate within the scientific community about whether boosters are needed for those who are healthy.
If in the next few weeks it emerges that young, healthy people do better with a booster, great. But if not, obviously not, we're going to want to really let the science drive that.
The White House insisting it will follow the FDA's lead.
I want to be absolutely clear. No one's going to get boosters until the FDA says they're approved, until the CDC Advisory Committee makes a recommendation.
Still a lot of questions about those booster shots. Marcus Moore is joining us now from Dallas. And Marcus, the White House says it will wait for the FDA and CDC to give approval for boosters. But what if that doesn't come by September 20th, the date the administration initially planned for?
Well, what the White House says, even if it doesn't get full approval before that date, they have bought the boosters and they will be ready to distribute them as soon as that approval comes through. All
right, Marcus Moore for us. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.